Jeff, can I come back to you on something? So, I'm interested in the geographic balance of where demand sits for HAPS. Can you speak to, whether it's disaster response or other use cases, are you seeing broad-based interest from telco operators in HAPS across the world? Is it more regionally concentrated? I guess first question, then bolted onto that, what do you think the outlook looks like on that level of geographic
Sure.
interest?
To be open and honest, I think the whole world can benefit from HAPS.
Yeah.
Obviously, from the interest that you've seen and the deals that are out in the public, there are two areas. One is disaster recovery is driving a real urgency at the moment, and in areas where obviously that are impacted, you've heard a couple already, and obviously in Japan, it's one of the top priority use cases. But then you've got other areas of the world which are just vast geographies or difficult terrains. And so nations, especially sub-Saharan Africa, across the island nations through Southeastern Asia, there is a huge challenge for connectivity to be closed and offered. And we have a huge amount of discussions, I think, across all of our business units that is trying to raise the awareness of what we're talking about here. But the next stage is putting these into proof of concepts, trials and tests, as you're hearing from all of us. We're doing that all this year, next year, with a view to actually begin offering these services. The other aspect of this is the type of platform that we have. Each of us can play to different strengths, to different applications and different use cases. And so it's understanding that within these layers, which one applies to me as a mobile network operator. I think the future is extremely promising. We are projecting very, very large volumes in the next 3 to 5 years. And just like Ken said, the hockey stick, we're right on the cusp of that because the technology, the platforms, the spectrum, the regulatory are all falling into place now to enable business to be sold.
Russ, did you want to chime in on that?
Yeah, no, I think the point Jeff just made about the different platforms, one of the great things about what we're doing with the HAPS Alliance is you're getting all those people in a room. And so the more we can build common concepts, common linkages, common technologies, the goal would be if you as a customer, if you're a mobile network operator, come and say, hey, we want to do this, that we can help vector in and say, hey, a balloon might be appropriate for this, or an airship, aircraft, things like that. So, as all of these things are coming up the maturity curve and starting to do demonstrations, we'll learn more about that. But I think, that's one of the reasons we exist as an organization is to work with that. And then obviously, as Ken already mentioned, we're excited also to welcome the prospective customers so you can go learn about how we're seeing that, what the architectures we're trying to build and so forth.